All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today, we're going to be replacing the ignition switch on this Grizzly. My daughter's been trying to start it up and we've been getting nothing with it here. All right, once we go to start it, nothing. So I got my son, he's gonna go ahead and pull me with the chain on this, and I'll show you how to pop it and kind of bypass your ignition switch here. But yeah, with it on, nothing. Go ahead and back up, hook the chain up to it. Yep, yeah, you hook it right on the front there.
That does not fit.
Gotta wrap it then. No, it doesn't go in the center like that. It goes around the chain. No. Yeah, there you go. All right, let me take the brake off. We'll have the key on. This one's neutral, 1, 2, 3. So neutral is all the way down, and then first, second, third, and the same thing going back down. So, all right, he's gonna go ahead and pull me slow, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pop it into gear here, and it should fire up. Go ahead. Yep, there we go. All right, stop. So you see how it fired right up. And once again, we're gonna do it again. Show you again. Down in neutral, go ahead and pull. And ready, we'll, there it goes. Fires right up. So that's how we know it's our ignition switch here. And it's a good way if this ever happens to you and you do have like a standard here, you can go ahead and pop it. And we'll head over and put the new ignition switch on. Alright, so once again, put the brake on, turn the key on, try and start it. Absolutely nothing. So, also another thing, make sure you check, make sure you don't have your kill switch on. But our problem is the ignition switch here. So let's go ahead and replace that. Alright, so here's our ignition switch, and it's only held on by this right here. So we go ahead and unplug it, and then now we just have to unscrew this, and you got to take your key out, and we'll get a wrench on there and twist that off. And this is also good to know if you ever lose your keys and you can't find your keys and you have no way of starting it, you can go ahead and buy a new ignition switch, hook it up, and it comes with 2 brand new keys. Use a crescent wrench or whatever you want. This is a 1-inch diameter. So once you get it going, it's plastic. You'll be able to turn it. And then you just hold the bottom and take it out. And that twists right off, and there you go. There's your old one. Alright, and here's a new one. And there's the part number. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description if you do need to get one. There we go. And see, it comes with 2 new keys. We'll go ahead and keep this one on there. And we'll take this one off and store it so we don't lose it. And peel that off of there. Alright, so same thing. We're just going to plug this back in. We're going to take this off right here. Alright, so we're going to feed this back up through here. And go ahead and tighten this on here. And this is where you could set your key too, if you want it to actually match up with your on and off on here. So that's off right now. That would be on. So we're in a good spot. So you hold the bottom and just tighten this up. And it is plastic, so you can use an adjustable wrench, whatever you got. So that's in there nice and tight now. Put the key there. And now, this is simple. This is just gonna hook right back up into it. 4-pin. So it plugs right into there. And snap together. And we're just gonna run zip tie along here so it's not hanging out and gets caught up on anything. So we got our zip tie. Just gonna tighten that up on there. There we go. So that's installed now. There's our old one. Don't need that anymore. Go ahead and start it. Go ahead and turn the key on. And all right. Hi, chickens. Alright, so I'm going to let it warm up and my daughter will be able to take this thing back out and not have any issues. So pretty simple, and once again I'll leave a link in the description if you're looking to get one. Once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys. Go ahead, Jess.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.